Jason, for people looking for a new kitchen sink in the home, what are some of the key considerations?
Oh, well, I think there's three main things to consider. First and foremost, you need to know what your work surface is going to be made of. If you're going for a laminate or a timber work surface, then you'll need to be looking for an overmount sink or a top mount sink here.
Yes.
If you've got stone, then your options open up a bit more. We can go for an undermount sort of sink. We can still have the top mount, or we can look for a flush mount sink. The second consideration is, what finish do you want? We've got stainless steel finishes, and this is where our Australian made sinks come in with the stainless steel finish. With stainless steel, you start to open up your colour options as well with your blacks and your coppers. And then if you're looking for the height of luxury, we've also got the crushed granite sinks here, so available in black and white. These are 80% granite and 20% resin. And then I think the third consideration is, what configuration do you want? Do you want one bowl, two bowls, 1.5 bowls, 1 3/4 bowls? Do you need a drainer? And also, what sort of accessories do you need?
Yeah.
We've got a massive range of configurations and sink styles, so we've got a solution for every home.
Some beautiful product here. So if you're looking for a kitchen sink, what better place to start than the Oliveri showroom here at the Build and Design Centre?